टॉनिक की नीड भी है हम लोगों को.
So basically that is the binary search you're doing there, right?
Some tweak in binary
So
search.
That's a
basically,
binary search.
that's a tweak in binary search. All we are doing is return 1
Right.
because you found the element, and then you will say
Yes.
Again binary search.
recursion के
this plus this. If you did not find, if that is not the element, we will check if it is greater or less, and we'll do that.
The if के बाद वाले जो statement है, that is the tweak that was not told earlier.
Okay.
तो जिसकी वजह से पूरा प्रोग्राम चेंज हो गया.
सारे लोग टॉनिक पीने चलो, सारे लोग.
चलो.
Even without that,
माफ किया.
even without that condition, right? Still it's performing better.
No, if that condition, there you are giving full range. हम individual items को search करें, पूरी range अगर पूरी range दोगे तो ये this
One,
will work.
because you found that element,
Right.
and then you will actually continue to find it in the left and the right.
That will
So you will still divide by
You still
2.
continue to do it till you actually are not able to find any of these. And this is a recursive, so it will continue to call, and then it will continue to add 1 plus 1 plus 1.
How's that?
So here you are taking the left and the right.
How's that helpful compared to his? It's
Because I am doing this, the end minus start plus
But
1.
he can check also that initially also, right? He can also have this.
No. मेरे में ये दिक्कत है उस वाले में
But you
कि
can add it, right? That I'm not getting.
once उसमें अगर आपको मिल गया एक पहला एलिमेंट तो यू आई एम नॉट डूइंग मोर सर्च, हम सिर्फ लेफ्ट और राइट जा रहे हैं. उसके बाद एक बार पहला एलिमेंट मिल गया उसके बाद हम आगे बाइनरी सर्च को
नहीं,
ब्रेक कर देंगे.
then we abandon the binary
पहले
search.
हमारे
He abandons. So I'm saying like so what he
वो भी
as soon as he finds it, he abandons it, and he goes all the way to the left and the right. So I'm saying that after that, keep continuing with that.
Doing the same way.
Yes.
So if he adds this condition, the condition you added,
This
yeah,
one.
this one,
Yeah.
then his solution will be also.
Yeah, it's
So. Even
बराबर हो गई.
बराबर हो गया.
अगर ये ऐड हो गई तो वो बेटर हो जाएगी हमारी वाली पर मेरी वाली.
नहीं हुई.
Okay. So another question is, we'll do one more question, and then we'll break, and then we'll do the rest. So another thing to this is find the first index of this duplicated. Then you find the first index of the one. So
Basically have this,
basically the same thing.
yeah, when we break when
Whichever is the low, you take
but that will be एक बार मिल गया तो उसके बाद
So I'll give it
लेफ्ट में जाते रहो, राइट में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या समझिए? उसमें हम लोग को
I was
फर्स्ट
saying-
इंडेक्स फाइंड आउट करना है 3 का.
So this is the sequence. First we were actually finding all these things.
Right.
But now let's say we found this element. We want to find the index of the first element. So we want to find, if the element is not found, then we return. If the element is found, we have to find the first index. So it is also similar to
He will read the bin and he will go in the left.
That's a loop he can have at the moment he value gets equal.
yes.
Simply go on the left.
Yes.
Right, leave right.
Is that yes?
Yeah.
So similar situation, like if you continue to find, if you find something, then you will actually call the get that index, and then you will call because we find in the other one.
use the left, not the right.
Yeah, and then you continue to do that until you find -1. So if you find -1,
There's some-
you will you have to find one, right? So you will say, I want to binary search in this one. So binary search, you found 3 again. Then you will call binary search of 3 in this one. You didn't find -1, so you will return whatever was.
right was
Yeah, well, you return that. So that is the thing. I will actually give the solution for this one. There's two more left. One is that the find rotated mein you have to, if they are duplicates, I have to do that, and then search the first. There's another question. Let's say if 3 is there, I want the first element which is bigger than 3. First element larger than.
In sorted.
Sorry.
Yeah.
First element
उत्तर
larger.
चले जाएगा वो.
Similar to that. So these are 2 or 3 variations of this question. The next class, we missed few things. Maximum products of a float array product. I think we did it
Product
when
means
you were
multiplication.
Product is multiplication. That is not a sorting, but
Maximum product of
floating
float.
floating point array. So maximum
What is this floating point?
Yeah, वो करवाना
floating point integer, it is easy
Mhm.
because you will say, okay, what is the maximum product of there's an integer array.
Okay.
You have to find what will be the
Maximum product of 2 digits.
everything.
So you're going to do this or next?
So we can do this in next class? I guess?
We'll do that in next class. But for integer, it is very easy. For floating point, it is a little bit
I
difficult.
mean, the
How
only
does
thing
this
that is the digit within this array. I mean,
there are problems with it will take time to discuss. So we'll do that, and then yeah, we didn't do the merge two arrays with enough space at the end.
But that is same as merge
But-
sort.
You start with name.
Yeah, no, this question is done by Her Highness,
Okay.
and she always does. No. Guy like man, and she always assumes there is enough space at the end, which is never the case. If you write that in production, you will start having problems.
So
in
suppose
searching.
search in unsorted array.
This is the problem.
Search in unsorted array.
Search में और search
Element in unsorted array.
That's O of n. Just
O of any और कोई
Okay.
क्या कर सकते
Okay,
हो?
then
कोई algorithm होने
या सॉर्ट करो पहले. वो log n से सॉर्ट करो उसके
Yes.
बाद तुम
Yeah. We'll do that. Another question was the circus, in which there is two things. One is a height of a person and a weight of a person. So if you are given two values, then you actually have to figure out because the highest and the tallest person will stand
1, 2, 3,
below,
6.
and the person. So you have to find how many maximum people can do that thing. So that is there. Then find the smallest element in cyclic sorted array. You can do
Data
that.
नहीं पता था.
ये नहीं जाने क्या?
Yeah, we'll do that.
what more?
And then I mean advanced searching and sorting questions next time.
और हम मैट्रिक्स के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन होते हैं मैट्रिक्स के
Matrix के हाँ we'll do the matrix one.
Matrix spiral.
Saturday, right?
लॉट्स ऑफ बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन हैं.
Yeah, close.
Matrix में
हाँ